Hi, I'm Naomi Markison, Design Lead for the VA.gov platform. This video will introduce you to how we do research at VA. All the links shown in this presentation are listed in the description below. With that, let's get started. In general, research falls into two types. Generative research, for when you want to explore a topic and uncover opportunities, and validation research, for when you want to make sure that what you designed works for veterans. Some generative research methods you might use include conducting the discovery sprint to get the lay of the land and jumpstart your project, gather analytics either from VA.gov or comparable sites, comparative analysis to help align with users' mental models, or baseline testing of any existing or comparable site. Some validation methods that you might use include card sorting and tree testing for when you have an IA that you want to align with users' mental models. We have an optimal workshop account for you to use to conduct these types of tests. And finally, usability testing. This can happen at various stages, either early on with rough clickable wireframes, with high fidelity prototypes, or when it's in code on staging. For all these methods, we aim to test with a variety of users, including those with low literacy, cognitive disabilities, visual impairments, and those that use assistive technology. There are two main categories of methods that our research falls into: moderated and unmoderated. The majority of our tests that we conduct with veterans are remote moderated interviews or usability tests. Some teams also conduct in-person interviews at VA facilities. VA.gov is a company that is contracted by the VA to help recruit, screen, gather consent forms, and schedule research sessions with veterans and caregivers with moderated research. Unmoderated studies include methods like card sorts, tree tests, and surveys. If you'd like to do either of these methods, keep in mind that you'll need to follow the requirements of the Paperwork Reduction Act. This is a law that states how federal agencies should collect information from the American public. This is the basic path we follow for moderated research at VA. First, start by reviewing the research checklist. This is a reference that you can come back to again and again as you navigate through the process. First, you'll start by writing a research plan. From there, the research lead from Octo will review the plan with you to make sure that you have reasonably scoped the study. After that, they'll work with VA.gov to recruit and schedule sessions with the right veterans. But before you start your sessions with veterans, we recommend that you run a pilot test with someone internal to iron out any kinks. After the desired amount of sessions are complete, you'll synthesize your data. And finally, we encourage you to share your findings with the rest of the design community at VA. We all learn from each other and build on previous research. What you uncover in your study could influence another team and save them time. Here are some resources that are available in the description below for you to dive into later. So, what's next? Follow through with items in the new team orientation epic in GitHub. Continue watching the videos from design and research, as well as accessibility and analytics. Then visit the platform website to learn more about what you saw today. If you need help or have questions, we offer several options for you. We offer Slack channels where folks from the platform are available to answer your questions. We also have weekly office hours for most topics that you can sign up for if that works better for you. This concludes the introduction to research at VA. Thanks for watching.